Okay, welcome to Maths with Ish. Now we are going to look at how to convert three-digit bearings such as this to compass bearing. So let's go without wasting time. Now the first one given to us is 230 degrees. I know that this is a three-digit bearing and we can use a diagram for that. So a solution. We know that from our cardinal point, this north, this east, south, and west. Three-digit bearing always start from the north and they move in clockwise direction. So if we move, this is 90, this is 180. So definitely 230 will fall on this quadrant here. Okay, so this is 230. Now, if we want to get the compass bearing of this, the compass bearing is always measured either north or south, okay? So if you look at this angle is closer to south, and another feature of the compass bearing is that the angles are always acute angles. They are always below 90 degrees, from 0 to 90, okay? So if you look at this diagram now, let me extend this so that you can see the south very well. Okay, so if you look at this diagram here, this angle here, this angle from the south, remember the acute angle that is measured from either the north or the south, that is the angle. So this is the best angle so far that will give us acute. If you take this north will give you an angle that is not acute. If you take this one, the same thing. So this south is the angle, this angle here. So let's call this angle here theta. So that is the angle that is equivalent to 230 degrees. And how do we get theta? We simply say 230 minus 180. Okay, so our angle theta is equal to 230 minus 180. And I believe that should give us, we have 0, we have 30 minus this, which is 50. Okay, I think that's 50 degrees. So, which means that, remember, it should be in compass bearing, right? So, in compass bearing, this is south 50 degree west, because from the south, it's moving towards the west. So, we say therefore, what you can see there, we say therefore, so we say therefore that 230 degree is equivalent to south 50 degree west. And this is our solution to question A. Let's check question B. We do the same thing when we draw our cardinal points. 170, if we move 90, 170 should be close. And as usual, if here is 170, the acute angle closer to either the north or the south is the bearing, and that acute angle is this one. Okay, and remember these are south, so that acute angle is 180 minus 70, which is 10 degrees. So which means that our bearing 170 degree north is equivalent to, remember this is from the south going towards the east, is equivalent to south 10 degree east. And this is our solution. I hope you gain value.